Yes. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV Drive. Today you join me inside the BMW M2 Competition, that is the F series, and I've never really done like a proper POV for you guys with this car. So that's all about to change today, and massive thank you to the owner of this car for this opportunity. So yeah, let's take it for a quick spin around, even though now it's like almost peak traffic time, or it's about to start getting busy. We'll just take it nice and easy, but still have a bit of fun. That's Yeah, this generation of M car, man. Maybe am I still in Sport Plus? Let's see. Okay, Sport Plus. Yes, I just love how linear like these engines are. Like it doesn't really feel like it's a turbocharged motor. What else can we change? There's powertrain and steering wheel. Okay, we should be good. I'm driving in manual drive. Hey, like if you're not careful, like anytime it can snap on you. But oh my word. Sure, this car is actually very quick. I'll say one thing, when you're inside here, it does sound muted to a certain degree, but on the outside, the exhaust actually has so much character. Like it sounds so cool, even stock. This car is completely stock, no modified exhaust, no downpipe, no software, nothing. It's just an M2 comp. Oh, MDCT. Oh. Yes, the way this car picks up speed is actually very scary. But from the driver's seat, it doesn't feel like it. And when I look at the speedometer, I'm like, yo. Let me lower my window here so we can hear more of that exhaust. It also starts burbling. Oh, that deep toe. I really love the S55 motor, even compared to the S58, like sound-wise. Yeah. Some quick shots here, like a cool thumbnail or something, and we'll resume the POV drive shortly. Man, the burble sounds so cool, yeah. Power now. Oh, yeah, it's back now. Yeah. This thing is such a damn to drive. Yeah. Yo. That's so aggressive, yo. Oh. It's back on now. Yes, yes. Yeah. And this car, you get in trouble very quickly, yo. Sure. Yeah. Ah, this Emma. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no ways. Ah, guys, M2 comp. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. When those bevels come on. Yes. Oh my word. Yo, being here up here.
But at least it's moving.
I know. It's back now. see?
Oh. Oh.
So when you just play around with the accelerator, it does that. Yo. Yeah. Sus. Yo.
That.
Then our problem comes back.
Ah, you see now.
Oh, so aggressive, man. Oh. Nah, no ways.